Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Quick Notes on iPhone. To use Quick Notes on iPhone, we have three basic methods for this. First, access Quick Notes via Control Center. Now, let us set up Quick Note shortcut. Add Quick Note to the Control Center by swipe down from the top right corner. Then tap the plus button on the top left corner. Tap Add Control. Then swipe down to find Quick Note or use the search bar. Now tap the Quick Note icon to start writing. Next method, create Quick Notes from Safari or apps. Now choose text, links, or images in Safari or other supported apps. Tap the arrow to the right 2 times. Then choose New Quick Notes from the menu. A note window will appear where you can add additional thoughts or save the content. Last method, use the Notes app. Launch the Notes app from your home screen. Once you see the new Quick Note created, tap and hold it for a few seconds. Tap on Move. Choose New Folder. Then name it Quick Notes and tap on Save if you want to separate the new copied Quick Notes into other folders. Now, on the Notes tab, go to Folders tab. Here, you can access the main Quick Notes folder, or if you created a new folder, and move the newly created Quick Notes from there. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.